Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to remove any unwanted object from an image or photo without using third-party app in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here we're not gonna use any third-party application or software. So here we're gonna use the inbuilt application. So for this, firstly just open the pen application and just click on this settings icon. Now kindly check the pen application version number, so you need to update this pen application to this version number or higher than that. So firstly update it by going to the Microsoft Store application, and after that just select the image and just right mouse click on it and just click on this open with and select paint. Now say I want to remove this particular object from this image file. So what I need to do is just click on this selection tool, and now just press and hold your left mouse button and just select the object which you want to remove. And now you will see here one option written generative erase. Just click on it. Now it's analyzing, so wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see it has successfully removed the object from my respective image file. So you can do the same thing if you want to remove more objects. So right now I'm done with this. So in order to save this edited image file, what you need to do is just click on this file. And now you can either replace the original file by clicking on save, or you can click on this save as and you can save it to different image formats. So right now let me select this JPEG picture file and let me give a name image edited. Click on save. Finally we have saved. Now let us compare side by side. So now you can see the left side is a non-edited one, and on the right side you can see is the edited one. So you can see here the left hand side has a particular object as you can see, and on the right side we have erased it using a pen application. So by using these cool tricks you can easily remove any unwanted object from an image or photo without using any third-party app in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.